Hi, welcome to Meeting Mapper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work inside of the meeting as far as like conducting the meeting, taking notes, creating tasks, update object inside of the opportunity or whatever else the meeting may be related to, and add an attachment in the meeting. So as you can see, I'm in the meeting that we created earlier, and I want to start taking some notes in the meeting. So click on Notes here. And as you can see, we have two types of notes. We have notes, these are public, everybody can see these, and we have internal notes. These are only meant for the account team or individuals within this opportunity or my organization, and we separate the data for you so you don't have to worry about that going to the customer. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can see that what I'm working on is blue. So for example, if I clicked on internal, that I know exactly where I'm at, and that's labeled blue. So I'm going to go in here and notes. I'm just going to copy and paste a document in here. And what you can see, I've copy and pasted a pretty good size document inside of the meeting notes. These are rich notes, so I can bold, I can underline, I can italicize, I can add pictures, I can hyperlink. So there's a lot you can do with this notes box. And again, it's all freeform, and these are the public notes. Internal notes, again, are based on my template. There could be information in there or questions, or again, I can add anything else in here too, just like I could with the notes section. If there are meetings before this meeting for this opportunity, then they would be listed here, and I can click on them and see both the public and internal notes from previous meetings. I may want to look back at something in the meeting, so it's very helpful during the meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Another thing you might want to do is create a task. Now these tasks can be for myself, example right here, I'm working with Travis, and it's going to be an action item. And assigned to me, contact, I can put a contact from the user, and it's in progress right now. And when I can update this inside of Meeting Mapper, and it'll update Salesforce because it's just a task inside of Salesforce. You can see here Martina has a task. Even though she belongs not to my organization but to the customer, I can make her as the contact for a task that needs to get completed, and then I can check on that task inside Salesforce because I know that she is the one that's related to it. Very powerful. Again, I can update it right here. I can put that as completed and then save it, and we're going to see that is no longer there because it updated in Salesforce and it's no longer open. Another thing you might want to do is update the related object. So what I've done, I've selected stage, and I'm going to go in here and also maybe I want to know what the close date is, and I can save it. So what you can see here is I can update the stage, and maybe based on this meeting, hey, it's going to close a lot sooner than I thought. So I might want to do it, close it on the 30th of May. So I've just changed the close date inside Meeting Mapper, and it updates Salesforce. So what you're seeing here is a single input, multi-output, consistent information coming out of Meeting Mapper that'll feed not only this object, the opportunity, but also the parent, the account, with the same consistent information. Another thing you might want to do in a meeting is add an attachment. So I click on attachments, attach a file, go in here and choose my file, and I'm just going to put a little PNG file here, open, attach the file, and I'm done. So basically what I've done in this meeting or this video is took some notes, created a couple tasks, and you can see going back how Travis has that AI next to his name. That means he has an action item that's been assigned to him, and I can click on it and hyperlink it back into my calendar right here. Very powerful. I've updated related object, which is stage and the close date, and I've also added an attachment. So again, consistent, single input, multi-output within Meeting Mapper. Thank you.